Hello and welcome to Btekt. David here, and today's video is about the Echo Show 5. This is the newest smart display from Amazon, and the Echo Show 5 gets its name not because it's the 5th generation of the Amazon smart displays. It refers to the size of the screen. It has a 5.5-inch LCD display, and it's designed to be a cheaper alternative to the regular Echo Show. That model has a much larger screen and is priced at over £200, $219 at the moment. The Echo Show 5 is priced at a much more reasonable £79, and for me this is really keenly priced. Myself personally, I wouldn't really want to be spending £200 plus on a smart display, no matter how big it is really. I think I would spend a bit more than $79, so for me this is a really good price. And if you're really quick, in the Amazon Prime Day deals you can pick up one of these for £50. It's a very simple setup, and inside the box there is just the smart speaker itself, some documentation and the power adapter. Across the top of the Echo Show 5 is the manual controls. On the left side there's the mute button for the microphone in case you don't want Alexa listening to what you're saying. And then next to that there are volume buttons. And then to the far right, quite importantly I think, is a cover switch for the camera. It's the simplest thing, but I think it will bring peace of mind to a lot of people who are worried about these devices possibly being hacked and people looking in and listening in on their conversation. The camera is a 1 megapixel unit, enough to give you 720p video calling. Around the back there is a micro USB port and a 3.5mm jack for connecting external speakers or headphones. Bluetooth is also included here, so you can listen through wireless headphones or wireless speakers as well. Before we go on, let me say a big thank you to Direct Mobiles. The best place to go if you're looking for a new phone, as they have comparison tools that allow you to compare all of the available deals with all of the UK networks, all in one place. It is definitely a great place to start your search. Check down in the video description below for a link or search directmobiles.co.uk. There's nothing really remarkable about the design overall. It doesn't have an ultra contemporary look to it, meaning that it would only blend into the background of some multi-million-pound show home. But I think that is a good thing. It would suit the surroundings of most people's houses, I would say. It does have quite thick borders to it, which kind of put it in danger of looking like an old device. But the fact that it's just basically a clock for your bedside table means that it doesn't really matter too much. And the functionality of the Echo Show 5 and its relatively low price make up for that. Once you've connected your device to the internet, like most things nowadays, you'll need to download the Alexa app. Here you'll find tips and suggestions of things that you can say to Alexa to get you started. Connect other devices and download new skills or apps for Alexa. These range from the pointless and ridiculous Alexa, red alert, to stuff that you might actually want to use, such as connecting your Spotify or Amazon Music accounts. Be aware there is no Netflix skill at the moment, so if you wanted to stream video, then it will probably have to be from Amazon Video. For browsing the web, you have a choice between two web browsers, Firefox and Amazon's own Silk web browser.
Open Silk.
Here is Silk.
I said earlier that the chunky bezels around the screen were actually making this thing feel like it's an older device. And when it comes to the speed of it, well, that kind of just doubles down on that.
Alexa, play Btekt on YouTube.
Playing top result.
Yet, for some reason, I do forgive it for being a little bit on the slow side. I don't think a product like this needs to be especially fast, within reason of course. The screen is also fairly low resolution compared to things like smartphones, but it is small enough for that not to really be a problem. I would say that it is the right size for what it is. It's not exactly perfect for watching movies. It's a little bit too small to grab your attention for that long, but for web browsing and grabbing bits of information here and there, and probably for watching short Btekt videos as well, it's pretty good. There are tens of thousands of skills for your Alexa to learn. To discover new skills, it is best to browse through the app I found. There really is a lot of choice, but if you're patient, I think you can find something that you would like. There's everything from controlling your Xbox through your Alexa to games like Pointless and True or False. All the skills are categorized to help you find what you might want, because there really is a lot of skills here. My only complaint is that some of them are so trivial that I wish that you wouldn't have to enable every single one. Or it would be nice if maybe they bundled some together. For example, the sounds for sleep and relaxation you have to enable individually. Why not just put them all together? But there is some great skills here. Depends what you're looking for. There are some excellent educational skills that could help kids and even encourage them to enjoy learning. And of course, it's compatible with any smart home connected device, which we are set to see more and more of in the coming months and years. Control everything from your lights to your blinds, your heating, your fridge freezer, all through your Amazon device. Overall, I think this device is definitely a step forward when it comes to convincing people to invest in this relatively new product line. The mute button, as I mentioned before, is also a power button. Hold it down long enough and you can turn Alexa off. And the all-important camera shutter could go a long way to convincing people too. It's a simple design, but I do like it and I feel it's well made and robust, so I expect it to last. Okay, so it doesn't have the best screen and it's not the fastest connected device that I have seen recently, but I really don't care about any of that. It's got a good bassy sound and I kind of think of it as a modern day alarm clock. If you think of it like that, then this is one of the best alarm clocks that's ever been made. The real fun with this device does start if you have a fully connected home. If you do, then this is kind of a no-brainer. You kind of need one of these on your desk or your bedside table. And most importantly, it's a great product for a great price. My only tip that I have for this one is that if you are looking for new Alexa skills, don't bother ask Alexa. She's really not as smart as you might think. Use the app on your phone to find what you need and you will find some really useful stuff. Chatting with Alexa sometimes can feel like trying to have a conversation with one of those automated telephone lines, so just don't bother, use the app. But anyway, that's it from me. Hope you enjoyed my review of the Echo Show 5. If you did, then hit the subscribe button, double tap notifications and smash the like button. Lots more news, reviews and comparisons on the way. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, it's @Btekt, or add me on Snapchat at david.btekt. Thanks for watching. My name's David. This is Btekt.